test drive the 2019 Tahoe. Tahoe has been the best-selling sports utility vehicle, accounting annually for more than 25% of all full-size SUV registrations in the United States, and is priced below $65,000. This vehicle has less than 3,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, power liftgate, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, speed control, fog lamps, four-wheel disc brakes, front-wheel independent suspension, rain-sensing wipers. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.